Eksklusibong nakatsikahan ng News 5 ang stars ng new series na A Night of the Seven Kingdoms, ang spin-off ng equally hit seryeng Game of Thrones. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si MJ Marfoy.
This city is too small for us, Dunk.
7 taon matapos ang Game of Thrones, muling nabuhay ang labanan sa mundo ng Westeros. Isang knight at ang kanyang batang alagad ang kanilang pakikipagsapalaran. Mapapanood sa highly rated spin-off na A Night of the Seven Kingdoms. Siyempre, first dibs ang News 5. Kung sa Old Westeros ay dragon versus dragon ang digmaan. Kwento naman ng pakikipagsapalaran ng knight na si Sir Duncan the Tall at ng kanyang batang squire na si Egg, ang A Night of the Seven Kingdoms. At etong si Egg, abay dugong bughaw pala na umistokwa mula sa kaharian ng Targaryen. Ang main star na sina Peter Claffey at Dexter Saul Ansel parang magkuya na raw ang tratuhan sa set.
We had 2 months of prep before we started filming, and then we were just hanging out together. We got to meet each other every time we were like horse riding.
We bounce off each other in that, and the way he acts on the day, it affects my acting, and personally I think it makes it better.
Like a big brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was a massive Game of Thrones fan before this, so to be any part of it, never mind like the friggin' lead of it, was just a dream come true. Complete dream come true.
Kilala ang mga Targaryen sa kanilang blonde hair, kaya naman trendy ang pagpapakalbo ni Dexter para sa kanyang role. Literal na para magmukhang itlog yung ulo niya. Kwento pa ni Dexter, maganda rin daw na makita ang istorya mula sa POV na mga ordinaryong mamamayan ng Westeros.
A different journey, a different trip. Usually you see all the highborn people and all the amazing people, but you don't realize what's happening at this place.
Kung ang bawat Game of Thrones episode noon ay more than 1 hour, sa A Night of the Seven Kingdoms, mas short at sweet na over 30 minutes lang kada episode. Base ang serye sa mga kwento ni George R.R. Martin. Napapanood na ang A Night of the Seven Kingdoms sa HBO Max. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Jervy Wrightson po, eto na nga. Para sa latest showbiz news at iba pang kay-alaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.